If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close a chapter dignified. Damn girl, you did it again. But will it ever be enough when I'm bent on trying to keep it tough? Will I ever settle down, happy with the here and now? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could build a tower, pierce right through the clouds, saxophones at every hour. Who hasn't heard of me now? Then will I have had enough of trying to keep myself real tough? Will I ever settle down, steady even when it gets loud? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could find a way to put an angel on your shoulder, tell you true things every day. By the time you get older, maybe it could be enough. You don't have to be so tough. Maybe you could settle down, happy with the way it is now. When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough? Maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Maybe it's something divine, oh yeah.
Maybe they don't wanna date me, maybe they don't all hate me. Maybe it's vibes, maybe it's time, maybe it's something lately. Maybe you don't understand me, you don't know how to take me. Maybe it's real, yeah, it's not so crazy, not so hasty. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Oh yeah, maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Yeah, something, something divine. You think you know everything, you can't tell what time will bring. You know what I adore, never cared about no ring. We smile in the moonlight now, just hand in hand. Hearts never been this happy, yeah, when it nearly ran. Tables flipped and span, holiday still got time. I'ma we drinks with Dan, we got things that's planned. And we do this daily, you know we're locked in, man. And we do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something, okay. Something divine. The sweetness in your soul so only you and me would know. How many years we're building now, how many moons ago, how many different layers, yeah, how many different doors, unlocking all them chambers, can't fix what you choose to ignore. You get there, you want more, it's never enough at all. Maybe it's fine as it is, yeah, see where the chips will fall. You get there, you want more, it's never enough at all. Maybe it's fine as it is, yeah, see where the chips will fall. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Something, okay, something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about